And some big news for the sport. The original electric bike, the Stark Varg, is going to be debuting an actual race. Obviously, this isn't the first electric bike to do it, where you had, I think they call it the Honda Proto, the CRF electric bike, with Trey Gennard at the controls. Debuted it at the All Japan Series a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago, whatever it was now. So it's not the first bike, but I mean, when you think of electric, at least in my mind, you think Stark Varg. This is the internet bike, the bike that's been the name of electric bikes for a long time, and they're actually going to be racing. This is in the SX2, what do they call it? SX2 SX Tour Championship or category SX Tour Championship. I know what the difference is, so somebody comes below, explain that to me. But and you gotta say, absolutely nothing against Trey Kennard. He is incredible, especially for how long he's been out of the sport to still be as fast as he is and testing for Honda. But who knows how well the competitiveness is in the Japanese series. I'm not saying anything against it, but like this is a para supercross. The world is here. You've got Vial and you've got all the best 250 riders: Joe Shimoda, Colin Park, Chase Owen, Enzo Polis. Like, you've got names, and it's gonna be cool. It's been a long time coming, at least in my mind, because this bike has been ridden and announced and shown off, and it's been a long time coming. But to be finally in a race setting with a pretty good rider, a guy who has a national two-digit rider, so not some slum off the back burner. But you tell me in the comments below, are you excited about this? Do you care at all about electric bikes? Do you think they should blow up and go away? Whatever it is. And also, who do you think is going to win? 450s, 250s? Are you excited about the Paris Supercross? Do you watch it? Whatever it is. While you're on this channel, go down, comment. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.